With Stephen Realty, you can safely.
When describing this place, the first thing I would say is location, location, location. It is located convenient to Chattanooga.
You're guaranteed the best experience. If you're looking for a rental and don't know where to go, so many.
This 2-bedroom home has
Visit our website or give us a call soon. You'll
central heat and air,
With Stephen Realty, you can safely tell your family welcome home. With online payments and applications, you'll be
washer dryer connections,
convenience. If you want to find a place in a good, safe neighborhood, maybe a place for a newlywed couple, or a place for your children to grow up in, look no further, cause we are the kings. With Stephen Realty, you can safely tell your family welcome home. With online payments and applications, you're guaranteed the best experience. Oh, with so many people trying to steal your money, look to the people who will sell to you honestly. The name you should trust is Stephen Realty, so do the right thing and care for your family. With Stephen Realty, you can safely tell your family welcome home. With online payments and applications, you're guaranteed the best experience. If you're looking for a rental and don't know where.
We are also pet friendly, though extra fees do apply.
Visit our website or give us a call. Soon you'll have a place you can call. With Stephen Realty.
You can schedule a time to view this home by calling 931-208-2166. We look forward to having you. As always, with Stephen's Realty, you are welcome home.